What's the meaning of attender? Attender. Attender.
Attender. Attender. Attender refers to someone who attends to or takes care of something or someone. It can also refer to a person who is present at a particular event or gathering. Generally, an attender is someone who is responsible for ensuring that things are running smoothly and that everyone's needs are being met. This can include tasks such as taking attendance, organizing events, or providing assistance to individuals. In short, an attender is someone who is dedicated to providing support and ensuring that everything is going according to plan.